Good morning. SD. Hello there, David.
Alright, guys.
Morning.
You good?
Fancy seeing you here?
Yeah, likewise.
You okay?
Yeah, all good, man. You guys ready?
I was going to say, yeah, nice number plate.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Wonder who got you that?
Very, very cool. Very, very cool. How was your journey?
Very good. Couple of hours.
Good. Well, we've got a long day today.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go and see some houses, buy a few.
Go and see your house, which is more important.
Yeah, let's see what's happening.
Then we're going to go and see the house that we've bought. Let's go.
Vamos.
Vamos. So Max, can you call that one I sent you on the weekend, please? I sent you a house, didn't I? 110k.
Crestwood.
Yeah. Show me, please. I'll tell you if it's the right one. Is it up for 110?
Have a look. Yeah, 110.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So you can call that one, please.
What, do you want a viewing on it?
Now, today, if possible. I know it's short
Today?
notice, but we're on our way there.
Oh.
Work your magic, son. Work your magic.
Hi there, you okay? I just wanted to give you a quick call in regards to a property that you've got on for sale on Crestwood Avenue. Yeah, I really need to see this property today if possible, because it is something that I am sort of very heavily interested in. So if you've got any availability today, we are going to be in the area. I'm on the way up right now. So have you got any sort of times available for today? Yeah, we're on the way up right now, between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4, whatever time works best for you, we can be there at any time. 3:30, that would be absolute, that would be perfect, that'd be brilliant. 3:30, we'll be there, no worries at all. Thank you so much for your help, Beth, I really appreciate it. Perfect, cheers, thank you. Bye, baby.
Nick, can you cancel the David's house, please? And can we go to the one
Can't fucking
in...
cancel it.
Yeah, cancel David's. Get rid of David's one. Can we go to Car Road, please? First, and then we'll do that house, and then we'll go into David's house, and then we'll view this one.
Yeah,
it's a lot easier that way.
You might need to do that again. Here we are, Stephen, here we are. Quickly guys, this is Stephen, the boss, so no pressure.
No pressure at all today, Max.
No pressure.
You'll be alright, son. I got faith in you.
So when was the last time you was here?
4 months ago.
4 months ago, do you know when the last time I was here?
Friday.
Friday.
3 days ago.
So it's fresh in the memory for me. Do you remember it now? Or?
I do remember it, yeah. Smells really
I was
bad.
literally just exactly the same time I said smell that.
It smells so bad. And look how much stuff they've left in here as well.
Yeah, I know, I thought that when I came last time. When I came around, but what would we do? We just have to call like charity shop or something like that?
Yeah, just call a charity shop, ask them if they want anything in here. Oh, what a great house though.
I reckon, you know what
I'm
though?
lost for words.
When there's like old stuff like this lying around, there's got to be something worth something.
Yeah, when the camera's cut off in a bit, we'll have a little search around the house, see if there's any money or anything in here.
Mattress and stuff. To the next room then. Actually, quickly. It's a bit too small for a toilet or anything, isn't it?
Harry Potter. That's what Isabella will say.
She likes Harry Potter.
Yeah. Again, what a great room.
You know, I never understand with old houses.
What?
The like carpets. It's never one carpet.
It's an old school thing, isn't it?
I know, but why? How is that fashion?
Duna, do you give the thumbs up for this house? Perfect.
That's when you know then. That's when you know.
I think that this wall here needs to be knocked out.
Gotta go, yeah.
So it comes into here. But there's a wall in here as well. If you want to come through and have a look, this wall needs to be knocked out as well. And then the kitchen needs to be extended all the way into here.
One big open plan sort of kitchen diner.
Yeah, because look at the space in it, it's huge. If this has gone, it's huge.
Yeah, that's true.
And the kitchen's a big space. You can't really see it on camera, to be honest.
What is it that you say about the kitchen?
Heart of the home.
Good man.
Yes. Also, Max, chimney breast.
Yep.
Can we get rid of that, please?
That
And
one,
there's
one in
the
there
front
as well,
room.
yeah.
We'll get rid of that as well.
Right, should we have a look upstairs?
Yeah.
Because the upstairs, I love the upstairs.
This landing is huge.
I was going to say, that's a whole nother bedroom.
And there's a loft. I need to check that loft as well. Is this the master bedroom?
No, that one is.
This is big as well.
It would be bigger though if we
Yeah,
got rid of that.
we'll get rid of them as well, please.
I think that would make a massive difference as well.
Well, there'll be one in the front room as well, won't there?
That's quite big.
I think that when this wallpaper gets peeled off, the
think
walls
that's
might be
probably right.
okay. We'll check it in the other room.
Yeah, we'll see. Because it does look quite old. But then again, the whole house just looks old. So, yeah, I think this is the master. Yeah, only because it's got that bay though. When you look at it, really, there's not actually that much of a difference in size apart from the bay.
No, this is nice. Once all that's out though.
How
it's
bright
really
is this room?
decent
Though?
size. Yeah, it's really cool. I like this house. Still got the thumbs up, doing it? Perfect. Let's have a look at the small bedroom. It's actually not that small.
Again, look at the carpet, it just changes all the
It's
time.
actually not that small. Can you actually peel any of this wallpaper off?
Try it. You got
No.
oh, maybe this bit down here. Oh, that's more wallpaper.
I don't think the walls will need back to brick.
Can't get much more off. Never.
Can't get it back.
No, not quite.
Should we have a look at the
It
bathroom?
doesn't
Dude, do you
look-
want to see the bathroom?
Horrendous.
We'll keep it as a shower. We'll keep it as a 3-piece bathroom, not a 4. But we'll have a shower instead of a bath.
Yeah.
Come
Right, bags are not going at first.
on, do the honours, mate.
No,
I'm
you
too
were.
big to do that stuff.
I've been to the gym like once.
Why have we all gone quiet? Like this is
'Cause I'm waiting
this
for
is
a
like
dead body to drop
horror
down.
scene or a scary movie or something. Do you know how to get down? Seriously?
Yeah, but then if I want to.
No, you do.
Yeah.
It needs a point. So don't just fall on your head now.
I know, yeah, tell me about it. I got him! I got him! Right, you said you'd go
I'm
up.
going. I have no fear of ladders. I have fear of heights.
You should probably fear the way that I'd put that down as well. I don't know whether I did that properly or not.
Holy shit.
Go all the way.
I ain't going any further than this.
Yeah, go.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm very impressed. Downstairs, garden time. Let's go. Come on, son. Don't worry.
Right, let's just talk through the numbers and we'll just leave it.
Dunes. Garden's not huge though, is it, to be fair?
Nah, it's tiny.
We'll get rid of that shed.
You want to get rid of it, yeah?
Yeah, we'll get rid of the shed.
It'll open it up, won't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a flip. We're not doing we're not doing a buy to let or a refinance or anything like that. We're going to flip this one and move on to the next one. So, and the C's at the bottom of the street.
Oh yeah,
Literally
we'll get a drone shot of that.
six doors away, the C's right there. So it's time.
Very cool.
You got get to work, son.
Stressed me out. Is that a good thing or a bad thing that I've just done? I don't know.
Right, so we're going from our new house to the viewing on Crestwood Avenue.
Yep.
Last minute viewing that you booked in, didn't you, Max? Great house. Let's see if we can get it at a steal. And then we're going to go to David's house. Right, we're going to his casa and then we're going back to the office and we'll finish for the day.
We're here, right, then we're here at the viewing. Just this one here, this white one. It looks nice from the outside. What's your name, sorry? Beth. Oh, we spoke on the phone,
Yes,
Beth. Yeah, how are you doing? You okay?
All right, are you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. Have you had many viewings?
Yeah, it's got offers on it as well.
Offers on it, okay, as of today?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. Are we anywhere close to the asking price at all?
I've already gone through all these bags.
Cool. Yeah. Late to the party.
too expensive. And there is the man, the myth, the legend.
Which one? I'm the legend, he's
No.
the myth. Yep, so.
You're the mosquito. I called you a mosquito.
The
I said the man's a mosquito. Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Do we just call up to put an offer in?
Yeah.
Do you think 105 would secure it if we put it in now? No. 110.
Yeah, I think it'd have to be. But with the other offers, because I think when I left there was one offer on it. If there's any more, I'll probably just go to less than 5 offers.
Yeah. That's what's happening everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crazy at the minute.
It's good. Well,
Good for you guys.
There's not much coming to market, so
Yeah.
we're running out of stuff to
Everything's been sold, yeah.
Where's all the money come from?
It's crazy.
Everybody seems to be rich at the minute. It's the craziest thing in the world. Everybody.
It's not good for you, is it?
No, but thank you very much anyway.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you so much for getting us in so last minute
Have a
as
nice
well.
day.
That's brilliant. Cheers, definitely will do. Thank you, Beth. I think we'll put an offer in anyway, just because you never know if anything happens with the first offer. Could fall through or anything like that. So we'll put in the offer regardless. But first, in the meantime, going over to David's house, see what that's going, how that's going along.
House. Juan. This is what I have to put up with, guys. That's why you never see me in the videos.
Wow, this is amazing.
You happy?
Yeah, this is really good. It's from this one.
Try them. Moment of truth. Hey, they look really nice.
I'm not sure there's no a lamp going there.
Pendant, I don't know.
No,
I
there's
don't think
no, there's no
no.
pendant going
I
there.
just have to close it.
No.
Yeah.
But he's put all the electric points for all your cookers and your hobs and everything that you have in there.
Not far out now, is it?
No.
What is it, like a couple of weeks away now?
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks, he said, because he's had to wait a week because the front door that they've ordered isn't fitting till the end of the month.
So I mean, what you've done then since you've been with us is incredible, really, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
In terms of the time as well.
Yeah, amazing.
So I mean, that's what happens when you can obviously be around the right people, be involved in the right network. Funnily enough, actually, right now we've got a little bit of a 50% deal going around. So definitely head over to the website to try and check that out, see if you can get in there while the deal is still going ahead. Because what a time to get in with the market that we're in at the moment as well.
And Duna will put the link in the video or the description below.
Right,
Yeah, right there.
just there
As David would say with his red flag.
on the left. Right, let's go upstairs.
Go upstairs. Wrapping up today, guys. Had a great day, to be honest with you. Went really well. Viewing was absolutely shit. House was overpriced by 20 grand minimum.
20 grand.
Minimum. It was up for 110, wasn't it? It was worth about 90. End value's 125 on that street. David's house is coming along nicely. Had a little look at that as well, and went to our new property, Car Road, which tomorrow morning, Max, me, you and Isabella will go through the numbers, get the renovation cost all breakdown of them, and then we'll take it from there. So see you guys tomorrow.
Right then, so we're back at the offices now. It's actually the day after. Just going to go and check if the guys are available now to quickly run through the numbers on the property on Car Road that we went to look at yesterday. So if we go and quickly knock on their door, we'll see if they're available. You right to have a quick chat about Car Road, the numbers and stuff?
I'm eating my oranges, but yeah. You okay?
Yeah? Yeah.
I'm good.
So Car Road yesterday then, I love it. I really, really like it. I've already been on the phone to the builder. He's ready to go. He just wants to know what the crack is
Right, let's go through it quickly then.
and what the situation is basically.
Yes.
Right then, should we run through the numbers now then of what we're pay for the house, etc.
Yeah, we'll give you all a clear example of the profit in this house, hopefully, after we've done the renovations. So we paid 105 for it, £2,000 solicitors fees, £3,150 for the stamp duty. That takes it to just over 110,000. Renovation, I'm expecting around 26,000 for it to be. Max, where are you at with that?
I mean, fingers crossed, I'm hoping for 22, but we'll see what...
If we get for 22, I'll be over the moon. But that's where you come into play.
Yep.
See if you can figure it out with Liam. So if we get it, just say in the middle at 24, the total outlay for us of this property has been 134,000. Street value comparables are 170. I think number 17 sold for.
Yeah, the one across the road with the green door.
Yeah, I think that was 170. I'll pull it up and have a look in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm expecting for us to at least get 175 minimum.
Yeah.
And especially with today's market, hopefully we can break the street price, the highest target they've ever had.
Well, we're going for a very high-end finish, aren't we? So fingers crossed we can achieve.
Well, the market's crazy.
Yeah, it's mental.
So people are buying all sorts for absolutely crazy prices at the moment. So hopefully this is something that we can get to the highest price that we've got. So the profit, fingers crossed, we could be looking at around 30,000 plus, which will be great.
Yep.
And can you get it done in 10 weeks?
Yep. I can let him know.
If he has to come off one of the other properties to do it, tell him to do that as well, because this one's more important because we've got a lot of cash tied up in this one.
Yep.
Can you get that on an email over to me as well, please?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you. That's everything.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Let's make some money.
Let's do it. Right then guys, there it is. Steve's finally showed his face on camera as well. So he's going to be able to share all of his experience and his knowledge with you, which is going to be amazing. I really hope you've enjoyed the video as well today, guys. Obviously it's a little bit different to what we usually do. So if you have, don't forget to let us know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to leave a like. But more importantly, if you are looking to start your investing journey and start investing in property, you've got to join the Property Circle while it's 50% off. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button! If this doesn't get likes, comments and subscribes and tick bell notifications, I don't know what will.
I think if I borrowed you some calves, you'd be okay.
I nearly got
Get back in this lid, you crazy f***ing bastard.
Let's go again.